The sister asked a question that she's from India and she attends Islamic lectures, but many of her relatives, they say that she's not doing good and she's doing wrong. So how should we reply? Sister, you should ask them, what is wrong in me attending the Islamic lectures? In fact, you should tell them that I am following the Quran. You have to judge according to the last and final revelation, the glorious Quran. You have to ask them, where does the Quran say that it is not good to attend Islamic lectures? In fact, the Quran says in Surah Anbiya chapter 21, verse number 7, and Surah Nahl chapter 16, verse 43, Fas'alu ahli zikri in kuntum la ta'lamun. If you don't know, ask the person who is knowledgeable. So you have to tell them that let us make the Quran as the guideline. So can you point out from the Quran what I'm doing is wrong? In fact, you should tell them that the Quran says that you should be with the people who are knowledgeable. You have to ask them. So you should tell them that what is our guidelines? Our guidelines is the last and final revelation, the glorious Quran. Hope that answers the question.